Okay, now stance, grip, aiming, bracing, triggering. Are you ready? Step back, go! 3 shots. You know? So you have to feel whether your shot was good or not. I can't do it for you, I can just see it here. But you have to feel it, and it can be done. Are you ready? Step back, go! Are you ready? Step back, go! Are you ready? Step back, go! So it's about having this little moment where your sights are aligned, front sight is in focus, it's on the right spot, and you pull the trigger without moving the gun at all. Right? This little moment is the slow down until the shot breaks. But the whole process you have to do in a hurry. So you can't just take your time forever, you know, to wait for the perfect moment. No, bullshit. You have to shoot. But if you do it too fast, boom, no hits. So that's it. Quiet there. Remember, gonna quiz you later on that. Slow down in a hurry. Okay, hit.
Timing.
It's all on video, guys. There's no like making up stories about the hits like. It's all on videos.
We can edit the target.
We are not at long range shooting, huh?
I shot my
Oh,
own
I
range.
lay down and I hit at 1.5 kilometers. Ah. 132 on the first, 26 splits, so that's where we want to be, huh? Duck, 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 duck. That's what I want to see. Go! Try to emulate the cat, right? Because they just move so smooth over the ground. That's what we try to think about that. Go!
Put the trigger and do it, and I forgot I have to do reload again.
Yes!
Hit. Whoa!
Good, nice. The other way around, if we start here, next iteration, clock. Come here, close, duck, duck, beep. Go here, clock, clock, beep. Come here, enough room, close. goes. Blam. Go!
Holster.
Are you ready? Step by, go!
Yeah.
Go! Now get the grip, huh? Hey, forget everything. Now it's just the stage. So you stand there, say, go, duck, load, 2. 1, 2, 2. Reload, tuck, 2, 2.
ที่ผมโต